Hi, welcome back to another Ramblings video. My name's Malia.
My name's Heather. And I'm Ava. And today we are going to be showing you a spring DIY, and we're going to be making yarn lanterns.
Here are the materials you will need to make yarn balloons. Cups, little plastic containers so that we can put the balloon in to dry, and some balloons. It doesn't matter what color they are because they're just going to get popped in the end.
And a bowl to put the glue in. And then you're going to need some glue. Elmer's glue. School glue. And you're also going to be needing some string or yarn.
The first step to making yarn balloons is to pour the glue into the bowl. And after we've done this, we're going to add some water in, and we'll get back to you after that. So we already poured some glue and some water into the bowl. And the next step is
We're going to take our string and dunk it in the glue and wrap it around our balloon.
we're going to do that, and then we'll get right back to you. This is what our lanterns look like after they've dried.
And now we're going to go paint them.
So these are our finished products after the spray paint. So now you can put a light bulb in it, and you can hang it in your room or whatever you want. Or you can use this as a hat, as she is clearly showing. Please like and subscribe down below. Bye.
Bye.
So the next step is to take the balloon and paint some glue around it, then wrap the string around the balloon.
Let's go. Let's go.
Heather, are you okay?
So,
Another optional material is paint. Really, Heather? So the type of glue you'll need is Elmer's school glue. Let's do that again, shall we?
not again, girl.
Can you go get the glue and the paintbrushes, please?
Yeah.
Never mind, I just messed that up.